Hello and welcome to this Infoscience tutorial, which will guide you through the process of updating your publication list on your epfl laboratory or unit website. Since the launch of Infoscience's new version in 2024, previously created publication lists remain accessible. However, to continue receiving content updates, including new publications, you must adjust your query to align with the new system. If your lab's webpage displays this alert banner, it indicates that your publication list requires an update. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Before proceeding, make sure you have the necessary permissions in WordPress, such as the unit webmaster role. Make sure you're logged into the WordPress admin console. Then click on Edit Page to enter editing mode for your publication list. Please note that if your page contains an obsolete epfl Infoscience block, you need to remove it and add a new one. To do this, click on the three dots, then select Delete. Click on Plus to add a new block and choose the epfl Infoscience block. By clicking on the block, you will see its configuration options in the right-hand column. The most important element here is the field labeled a direct Infoscience URL. This allows you to specify an Infoscience search query or simply enter the URL of a unit or laboratory page in Infoscience or even a researcher profile to display the corresponding publications. To see all your unit's publications, go to your units page by selecting Explore, then epfl Units. Enter the name of your laboratory or acronym, then click on Search. Once on your laboratory's page, simply copy the URL. Similarly, you can use the URL that points to a researcher's profile in Infoscience. For a customized search, go to Explore, then Scholarly Works, and use the Advanced Search. Define your criteria and refine the results using filters. For example, enter the author's name and click Search. Then filter the results. For example, for the type field, choose Conference Paper. For the publication year field, choose the years of interest. In the Sort By section, choose Date Issued Descending to sort your results from most recent to oldest. Then click on the Export URL button to copy the URL. For more details on search criteria, check the help page Create Edit My Publication Lists, or reach out to Infoscience support. Return to the WordPress page where you created the Infoscience block. Click on the block, then paste the URL in the A Direct Infoscience URL field. You can then continue to configure the block using the following options. Limit defines the number of publications displayed, with a maximum of 500. We recommend keeping the number below 200. Sort controls the order of publications. You can choose ascending or descending order, but we recommend descending order. For the option Group by Title, we recommend selecting Year then Document Type to obtain a better structure. Once you have configured everything, click on the Preview icon, then Preview in New tab to check the results. Bear in mind that loading may take some time. If you are satisfied with the result, click on Save. And that's it. Your publication list is now updated. Thank you for following this tutorial. If you have any question or encounter any difficulties, feel free to consult our help page or to contact the Infoscience team at the epfl library.